the start of every NRL Hunter UK match, we are going to take the weight of your rifle. We'll be using a very simple set of digital scales to do this. Why is that important? Well, first of all, the weight of your rifle can determine which division you are going to be competing in. Factory rifles in their full factory configuration will have a maximum weight limit of 12 pounds. Open light will have a weight limit up to 12 pounds also, and open heavy will have a weight limit of between 12 pounds and 16 pounds. Anything that falls over 16 pounds in weight will go into our skills division. So what will be weighing on your rifle? Well, it's probably easy to first of all talk about what we won't be weighing on your rifle. We won't include in the weight of your rifle magazines and ammunition. We won't include any electronic devices that do not support you with your shooting, but instead are there merely to record your experience, such as a trigger cam. And because a sling is used for the safe carrying of your rifle from stage to stage, we won't include that in the overall weight of the rifle. We will, of course, include the rifle itself and anything that is attached to the rifle as an aid to shooting. For example, moderator or brake, bipod, any rails, attachments or mounts that are on the rifle, your optic, okay, your scope. This rifle also has a red dot sight on, that would be included in the weight of the rifle. And you can see here on the ocular of the scope and just on the other side here, there is a level for leveling the rifle. That will be included in the weight of your rifle because it is an aid to shooting. Your bolt, your trigger, your cheek piece, and also anything that is used as an additional, as an aid to balancing or weighting the rifle will be included in the overall weight of your rifle. You can see this rifle has a moderator cover on there. That could be used as an aid to shooting to keep mirage down. So again, something like that would be included in the weight of your rifle. And you can see here there's also a cheek pad over the cheek riser. Again, a little bit of a grey area, but for the purposes of making sure that we treat the rules consistently, something like a cheek pad would be considered an aid to shooting as well. And would indeed fall into the weight of your rifle. Honestly, I use this is my own rifle. That cheek pad on there doesn't benefit me in any way for my shooting. It's just a little bit of comfort really, a little bit of a luxury. However, on some rifles, a cheek pad could be used for getting better alignment of eye to scope. Okay, so we make sure that in all circumstances, we don't want to get into a debate about whether it is benefiting you or not in your shooting. We just include it in the weight limit. So what we'll do when you turn up to a match, we'll take our scales, simply with everything attached to the rifle that you will be using to shoot the match, other than a set of shooting sticks or a tripod. We will make sure that that's all attached to the rifle. We'll put the rifle down on the scales and we will take the reading. Now you can see here that this rifle is 13 pounds and 8.2 ounces. So although this rifle is in its factory configuration, because it is over 12 pounds, this rifle would count into open heavy. This is also a Rimfire rifle, it's 22LR, and if you're shooting our first match on the 1st and 2nd of February at Leggett's Quarry near Humberside, what you'll need to realise is that for Rimfire we won't be taking any power factor. Instead, we'll use the weight of your rifle to determine any tiebreakers for score. Okay, so I hope you found that video useful. There'll be some more videos coming up in the run up to our first match, just covering off some of the finer points about what to expect. Thanks for watching.